Rebecca, a Fort Worth woman is still dealing with the pain following a fatal car crash. She lost not only her father, but her 13-year-old son in that accident. And tonight she's filed a lawsuit claiming the state may hold some of the blame. The accident happened in July just south of Gainesville on I-35. Tonight, the safety of that stretch of road is in question. The 33's Jim Grimes has more.
This is Melissa Hinkle and her 13-year-old son, Casey. Here's Melissa with her dad, Dale. They were the men in her life, and in just moments, they were taken away.
Losing her father and her only son in the same collision, separate and apart from her own injuries, has been absolutely devastating.
That collision happened July 5th. Casey, Dale, Melissa, and another family member were traveling north on I-35 when they came up on this construction zone. As they slowed to a stop, an 18-wheeler came up from behind and never hit the brakes.
What makes it so tragic is that it was something that was preventable. There are a number of parties here who share responsibility.
On behalf of Ms. Hinkle, Fort Worth attorney Stephen Laird filed a lawsuit against those parties. It claims TxDOT, the contractors, the driver, and the delivery company all led to the deadly wreck. To bolster their claim, just last week, another deadly accident along the same construction zone took 3 more lives.
It's so easy to point fingers, and I don't know how you point fingers at a construction project, but I don't know how you rationalize 5 people being dead.
County Sheriff Michael Compton told us by phone that the deadly work zone has many looking for answers. It's widely known that the contractor has fallen behind and should have already finished this work, which has caused miles of traffic jams and other accidents.
A lot of people don't seem to think that they're working very hard out there.
TxDOT says the contractor is hoping to finish soon, but for the Hinkle family, it's not soon enough.
Losing 5 lives in less than 30 days in the same area due to basically the same set of circumstances, this has to stop. This lawsuit is intended to do just that.
TxDOT told us that it has added more signs and warnings along the way. Sheriff Compton suggested maybe temporary speed bumps, something to get people's attention. But just finishing might be the best solution. TxDOT says the contractor had promised that its workers would be putting in overtime to get that job done. We were out there earlier. You saw it. No one was working. Jim Grimes, the 33 News.
New information in the case of a fatal crash on I-35 near Gainesville on July 5th. A 4th woman wants justice in the death of her father and only son. Melissa Hinkle has filed a wrongful death lawsuit against TxDOT following the deadly tractor-trailer crash. Hinkle was severely injured. The lawsuit also names the truck driver, the trucking company he worked for, and the construction company working in the area.
She feels terrible about her own personal loss. She also feels terrible about the loss that the other families have had to endure earlier this week. That's why she decided that something needed to be done to protect the traveling public so that no further fatalities or injuries would occur.
Another crash killed 3 people in the same area on Monday. They died when another tractor trailer slammed into cars during a traffic slowdown.